Hello guys and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at an AI website builder. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So starting off with our first AI website builder, Hocus. Hocus is an innovative tool designed for fast and efficient website creation. Now the aim for this AI website builder is to simplify the process of building business-ready websites through AI-generated content, design, and images. What I particularly like about Hocus is the fact that it is simple as well as having a fast creation process. Hocus allows you to create a website quickly by answering just 8 questions about your business. This user-friendly approach makes it suitable for those who need a functional website without the usual complexities of web design. Another thing that I like about Hocus is the sheer amount of personalization and customization. This builder offers customization options enabling you to create personalized websites, and you can use features like blogs, booking systems, and online stores, which tailors the site to your specific business needs. So jumping more into the website builder itself, let's take a look at the different categories. You have 5 different options. You've got beauty and wellness, sports and fitness, photographers, household services, business and finance. Taking a look at our first one, you do have a couple of options for what you would expect for a beauty and wellness website. So again, this is all completely designed by AI, and you can still have your brand details and you can boost your business through having an AI website build. If we scroll down, we can have a look at the features a beauty and wellness website can have. You have an online booking system, so that's great for yourself and the client or customer. That will give you a time to make slots or to make schedules for yourself and the client. So you can see here, give your customers the freedom to make bookings wherever they like from their computer or smartphone, while you keep control of appointment management. And you can offer preferred time slots from your calendar and accept or reschedule bookings instantly with a few clicks. You have the likes of team scheduling, so that will more be internal towards your brand. This is when you monitor and manage your employees with flexible staff schedules. So that's great as well, especially if it is going to be a beauty and wellness website. You have an area where you can manage time, manage location, as well as treatment profiles. Then you have client management. So as well as the team, you have to have client management. So this gives you a client view of your customers' information, and you can easily access the data-driven reports as well. So use these to create targeted campaigns based on your customer preference. And lastly for this is the portfolio. So this is where you can showcase your work. Use this website to showcase that work. You can introduce potential customers to your work and convert them into loyal clients. So that is primarily what this section is all about, this category, the beauty and wellness. Then with the next one, you have sports and fitness. So this one will take a slightly different route, but not too far off from the beauty and wellness. This one does have a blog. So blogs are great for SEO, especially if you want to boost your website. Again, this is AI, so it'll integrate that blog into your website. As well as this will be a fitness focused web design. So this is where we can explore the entirety of the site in terms of the layout. Again, you do have online scheduling, so you can keep track of the appointments. You can, as well as that, you can coordinate your staff schedule to track and organize your business 24/7. Next one there is photographers. So you can imagine already, you will have to have some sort of scheduling for a photography website. So what we can see here is you can have a customized portfolio with it. You can have, as well as this, a field for the brand or a field for the entire website. So this one is easy editing. So the Hocus AI editor simplifies website building. Thanks to its live edit feature, you can personalize your page with just a few clicks. And as well as this, you've got responsive designs, as well as an about and contact us page, which is necessary for a photography website. Next is household services. So what we have here is you do have testimonials, which is something that you would want to have for a household service. So this is AI integrated, where it picks out some of the testimonials that you would add yourself. You've got dedicated layouts, and as well as this, you've got a calendar integration. So like the other two that we've checked, which is the beauty and wellness and sports and fitness, that is key to having for a website. Last one is the business and finance. With this, you can have client and staff management. You can take direct appointments, which is the booking online, and you've got a calendar view as well as a business blog. So we've covered the different categories. Last thing to do now is to log into the website and create a website. So the process to logging in or signing up is very easy. Go ahead and log in with a Gmail account or with an account you've set up with Hocus. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and select the create account. And again, you can sign up using Google or enter your email and password, and then confirm that password to create an account. Now, once you have signed up or logged into the Hocus website builder, you can browse through the different categories. Or as well as that, you can search up the business that you're in at the minute. So search to find a theme that matches your profession, passion, or hobby. So you get those options as well for beauty salon, clothing store, or marketing agency. So with us as profile tree, what I would be searching up for is marketing agency. So it should take a minute there. So we've got marketing agency, media consultant, marketing consultant, branding agency, graphic design studio, advertising producer, advertising agency, and marketing courses. I'll go ahead and stick with the category of marketing agency. And go ahead and select continue. Now you can see here that we have passed the first step, which is the business type. We've got a little sidebar there to check our progression. So that's the first question out of the 8. Next one is asking us to personalize your website by selecting the services you wish to offer. This can be modified later. So we can offer social media management, SEO optimization, email marketing, digital advertising, branding and design, content creation, lead generation, analytics and reporting, influencer marketing, and as well as that, we do have website development. So go ahead and click on the ones that is necessary for your business. Like so, and select continue. So that is the second question completed out of the 8. Now what it's going to say is tell us what you want to do with your website. So that'll help them create the tools and pages that we need. So we can sell products, write a blog, get bookings, collect testimonials, or as well as that, get new customers. What we want to do is we want to get new customers and write a blog. That's correct to have collect testimonials. We'll just remove the get bookings. So go ahead and continue. So now that is the third question answered. And it's good as well that you can retrace your steps if you do make a mistake. So don't be afraid to click and hit continue. And if you have made a mistake, you can always take a step back. So the fourth question that we need to answer now is tell us where your business is physically based, like a store address or the area you service, such as region, city, or zip code. So this is where we can apply a business address, service area, online business only. What we want to do is go ahead and select business address. So this is where we enter in the details. It'll give you a couple of options there, like so. And once you're happy, go ahead and click continue. That'll pinpoint it on the map, just to clarify. So 31 Henry Place, Belfast, UK. And again, it'll tick off the business location on the left. So our fifth question now is you can choose the name of your existing business, brand, blog, or create a new name for your website. For our business name, we're going to go ahead and select Profile Tree. Again, click Continue on the bottom right. And just like that, we're pretty much nearly finished. So we've got 3 more questions to answer. So our next question, which is our 6th one, is to select to highlight 3 unique aspects of your business. We will generate more customized content based on your selection. So we have loyalty programs, affordable prices, exceptional customer services. You've got friendly service, easy navigation, flexible working hours, feedback orientated, result driven, and qualified and experienced. So again, that's to highlight 3 unique aspects of your business. So we are going to go for affordable prices. We'll just leave out loyalty programs. Then what we want to do is we'll go for result driven. So that's 3 areas there, or we can even go for friendly service. So there are other ones there: inspiration, approach. You've got personal approach, as well as the free consultation. So once you're happy, go ahead and do the same thing that we've been doing, which is hit continue. So this is the next question, which is how would you like your website visitors to contact you? 3 different options: website contact form, email address, and phone. Primarily you want to have all of these ticked anyway. So email address, of course, we'll just do hello@profiletree.com, and then for the, so go ahead and add that so you can have the little tick mark. Go ahead and add the phone number, so I'll go ahead and just grab that now. So copy and paste that number, select add, and then again go ahead and click the continue. So this is the last 8th question, and all we need to choose here is a actual template. So we got 3 different templates. Now they're all more or less the same, but I kind of like the look of this one. So this one's got the nice little hero section, almost a blended area for the 2 different sections that we have. So what I think I'll do is it's either these 2. So there's a slider for this one, and this one's got this sort of banner with the hero section. I think I might actually just go for the one with the slider, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit continue. So with this, you could choose the color palette that you'd like. See if we can go for more of our colors. So there's color green. If we scroll down, it's more or less what it looks. Okay, happy enough. Go ahead and click continue. So you've got a few different font styles. So 6 different options for what Hocus provides. I'll go for this bold looking font and hit continue, and that is pretty much it, creating the website for you. So you could see that it will take just maybe a couple of minutes or under a minute just to get this website. Okay, so you can see under a minute it's already provided us with this website. So pretty cool. We've got our little banner here for a sale. Just close that, and we've got our little hero section area there. Got a bit of a contact form. So everything is more or less here. Now we could see that we can add sections in. Again, it's a drag and drop kind of editor without the need for switching all the different elements. So click on section, we have multiple different choices: services, about us, subscribe, contact forms, blog, booking, etc. And then with the different pages, we can view them. So we've got about us, our team, services, gallery, and so on. We've also got different pop-ups, and that would be the newsletter. And what I can do with this one is I can remove it or edit it, or I can add a new pop-up. Pop-ups are primarily great for blog sites or anyone with a e-commerce site. Now, I would say that that's there to push you and encourage you to buy something or to subscribe to something. And then, of course, we do have the store, so activate store up. And then we've got the blog. So in a mere few minutes, we've already created a full website. And this is where we can integrate some AI as well. So we're happy enough with that. And then it'll ask us to select the set. So this is the logo part. So we'll just generate with AI. So it just takes a few seconds for this to create a logo for us. So like that, then you can choose a variant. So we'll go for this one, sure. Go ahead and select that. And then that's created a logo for us. But of course, you can add your own images in if you want to. So my images, upload from your computer, and then just upload that in. But yes, now that we've seen this website builder, we'll go ahead and move on to our next AI website builder. So the sign in process is very easy. You can go ahead and sign in with your Google account, or you can go ahead and enter your email and password with the account you've made with Durable. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and select the sign up button just below. Go ahead and select get started. Now it's going to get straight into the overall questions before you get started with your email setup. So it'll ask you what type of business you're building. So we'll just say that we're creating a marketing or digital marketing. We'll do digital marketing like so, and then go ahead and select next. Now, if you're not sure, you can see some of the different suggestions. So you've got tutoring, bakery, security, mortgage broker, online entertainment, and dentist. You can always keep regenerating that as many times as you like. And you can see that digital marketing has popped up. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Then they'll ask, where is your business located? So we'll just say Belfast, Northern Ireland. And it'll ask us what the name of our business is. And we'll just say profile tree, like so, and then generate the website. Of course, I can't go a lot faster than how long we've taken to do that. It will be around 30 seconds, as you can see. So it's already building the website. So it's got service there. It's got the testimonials, previous work. So it's fairly fast for what it is. And that's generating the entire website. So you can see already, website's ready. We've got our logo, profile tree at the top. This is the digital marketing website, of course. We've got our hero section, a banner description with the CTA button. And then we've got our social media on the top right. We can scroll down, a little bit more information there. We've got services, keep scrolling. We've got boost your digital marketing strategy. So it's built an entire website in a mere 30 seconds. You can see that that is from header to footer. We do have the option as well to customize that. So on the top right, you can click on the customize button. And this is when we'll be able to sign up to Google. So I'll go ahead and log in just to see what sort of customization options we have on Durable. So let's log this in now. We now have a few more options on the top right. So we've got our theme, widgets, support, and we also have the different versions in responsiveness, desktop, tablet, and phone. As well as this, we can open up the AI assistant. So this is where we can ask this assistant anything. So I'm here to help you with your business. Ask me anything. So what we can do right now is go ahead and add a section in. With this section, we have a few different options. We can have a call to action section. We have embed section, Google reviews, image, FAQ, contact form, Calendly, banner, list, Instagram, location, pricing table, and so on. So quite a few options. We even have logo sliders, so that's all to do with premium. So you would have to go for a custom domain, pay for a pricing plan in order to redeem these. But anyway, if we're not happy with a section, we can go ahead and select regenerate, and then we could say style. So you can see how that quickly creates an area for us. So regenerate the content, or you can regenerate the entire section. So keep scrolling through until you find something more suitable for your website. You can also duplicate these, or you can edit them out as well. So depending where you want to add a little bit of flair with your own content, you can change your heading, you can change your subtext, and of course, as well as this, you can change where the linking goes. You've also got your style, so if you don't want to go for this color, you can always add in your hex code, so 3357. Okay, so that's our colors, and we can have that as a solid or gradient. You can see how that looks a lot better in my eyes with the gradient. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as that. Now with the button style, I'm going to go with the custom. Go for a more rounded version. Again, have an outline on that. Or we could just leave that as a solid a solid fill. And we can also change up the style. So there's style 2 and there's style 1. I'm happy enough with the style 1. With the heading, we can have that as extra large, we can have that as large, but I would say the extra large is perfect for this area. Now, if we're not happy with the background image, we can go ahead and regenerate that if we want to, so that just changes things about. Again, it will keep into your words of digital marketing, so you can keep regenerating that, and it'll regenerate in terms of digital marketing. So we'll have a flick through until we find one that's more suitable. So I'm more or less happy enough with this. This shows a little bit more of the atmosphere on office work. That could be the sort of theme, or you can replace it with your own image as well if you want to. You have Unsplash, which is free, but of course is owned by the individual, so it depends if you need some licensing for this. Shutterstock, which you will have to pay for, and you do have a library of different ones. So this is what's currently uploaded onto the site. This is what it's recommended and pulled out from AI. That's to do with digital marketing. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and upload your own images. And I would recommend to upload your own images due to the fact that it's going to be your own content that you're placing in here. It'll be better if you're publishing this site, especially if you have mentions of SEO. So there's a couple of options there where you can have a full overlay or you can have a partial overlay. From where we had it, we're happy enough. So we'll just stick that back up to 76%. We'll keep it at 75. There are built-in animations as well. So you've got slide up, you've got zoom in, zoom out. So we'll just leave that as is. Spacing as well, I'm happy enough with that. And then of course what we can do, what combine with header means is with the background we can blend that in with the header. So if I click yes, you can see how that's all blended in. It's even changed the color. Of course that's our line or our header gone. We can add borders as well and dividers. So once you're happy enough, go ahead and click done. Now with the header, I'm just going to go ahead and regenerate that style until I find one that I actually like. We can edit this header out again, change the logo. So we can replace this one if we want to. So they've got a couple of vector art. We'll just say something to do with marketing. Let's see if we can find one. If the icons do load up. Okay, so the icons have loaded up, so I'll just go for this one. Or maybe go for a tree, just to tie it in with a profile tree, of course. See if we can find one through the search bar here. So I think I will go for this one. We'll just insert that in. And then profile tree, I'm happy enough with that. Maybe we can change the font to something a little bit better. Now that is one thing about this, you can't really see the preview before you click. So you will have to just go through the different logos, just to see if you can find something that you actually like. So I think I will actually just stick with Roboto. And then go to the image, and then of course you can upload your own file. So I'm happy enough with how that is looking so far. So we've got our logo, we have our hero section. What I can do maybe is change the icon size to a larger scale, as well as this have, so we got our navigation style here, so we can have it round, square, bold, so sticky. We're happy enough to do that. It's the full width, yes. Spacing's there, which is great. Social icon, we'll actually just leave that small. So we'll click done. Let's have a look at this. So if we regenerate the style, maybe we can get the social icons back in. So we'll just leave it as is. I'm happy enough with how that looks. We can add buttons as well if we want to. Display the social links. Colors, we won't stick with that color. We will just keep it on 33 BC 77. So I'm happy enough with this. Okay. Again, you can regenerate this content as well. So entire section. Okay, so I'm happy enough with that. Services again, we'll regenerate that. So that looks a little bit better in my eyes. However, with the color, I'm just going to change this color again to 33 BC 77. And then with this one, I'm actually just going to keep that. However, with the style again, I'm just going to go ahead and select that for 33 BC 77. So edit, style, like so. So it's went for that like sort of brownish color, 33 BC 77. Okay, so I'm so far liking the gradient on that. That's more of a darker look. So we went from green to dark, dark to green. This is nice. I like that. We'll just regenerate the content, not the style. See if we can center it out a little bit more. So regenerate the content again. So you can see how great it is to have this particular website or to have this website builder. There is no technical expertise that's needed. All you need to do is click and change. So we'll just maybe just change the entire section. Let's see what we can come up with. So I'm happy with that, but I do want to change the background color, and I want to change it back to the color that I had it previously. So just go 33 BC 77. And then with the alignment, that's okay, that's okay. So content, we'll just have that as content. Divider, so divider, we can change that as well, and let's see. So something like this. Okay, so something like that will look a little nicer. I like the look of that. So it's almost like it's pointing down. Let's see, we can go ahead and select edit, style. So there are a couple of options there. Depending what does suit your style a little bit better, but I'm happy enough with how it's looking. And of course that arrow will lead to boost your digital marketing strategy. Content creation is great. I'm happy enough with that. Maybe we'll change the entire section though. So social media management, that looks a little bit better. However, I do want to change the alignment of how that looks. So image position, we want to put it all the way to the right, and then you can see how that looks like this, and then maybe duplicate that section, but then this section will have not website development, but I'll change that to, so what do we have here? We have social media management, we have digital development, we can do content management, something like that, and then click done. Let's just change the style. Can regenerate that too. Okay, that does work. Let's see if we regenerate this, what will happen. So that's something more or less we want to have on the top, not the bottom. So AI can go your way, sometimes it can't. That's why we do have AI tools like ChatGPT, where we can specifically ask it for content. We can copy and paste that content into this AI website builder, and we can have it as we go. So that's the style so far. We'll change the position of that image. I'll go ahead and click done. Now with this, I'm going to go ahead and just borrow this content and place it onto here because I don't want to have too much text. And then again, I'll just say content management. And then go ahead and click off it. So far we got social media management, we got website development and content management. So you can see how it all is tying together well. Maybe I want to have a separation from the top to the marketing strategy consultation. So we can go ahead and just select the entire section because I don't want to have a copy of that. So we'll regenerate it again. Content strategy. Okay, we can have that, so maybe that'll just be the whole tagline for this. So that does make sense. So I'm happy enough with how that looks. Now with the clients, we can change this entire section. I feel like that's not really tying in well with the website. We can change it again. See if we can regenerate this. So it is quite literally click and go. Okay, let's see, click and go. What I'll do is I'll probably edit the style. I'll have the, let's see, can change this to a gradient of like that, but the top being the color of the bottom. So let's just go here, go there. I'll click this, copy and paste that onto here, and then for this one, I wonder why that's done that. Okay, that's okay. And then do 33 BC 77. Like so, and then we'll go ahead and click on clients. Again, we'll click on clients, we'll go to edit, we'll go to style, we'll go to colors, we'll go to custom, solid, happy enough with that, 33 BC 77. And then content, that looks okay. We've got icons, sure, we can have icons. We can have a heading, heading's fine. Content, link, image, icon. Just remove the icon, we'll actually do the image. Yep, that's perfectly fine. We can list the item as well. Now with the buttons, go back around the corners. That's okay. That's the right aspect ratio. Animations, okay, that's okay. Text, that's fine. So there are a few options there. You can have that on top of the image. So I think that would look a little nicer rather than like that. Okay. We'll actually just go back and remove the content and just have it like this. Maybe have the content in. So again, it's not going to be perfect because depending if you are in the UK, you will see words like SEO optimization, but why does that have a Z? You can just change that through here. So just edit through whatever you think needs fixing. So instead of having it like that, then you can change that through here and then click off it. Save and then click off it. So you now see that it has been changed. So going back down, I'm happy with how that looks. We've got our contact form, which we can regenerate. I feel like it can be a little bit better. Let's try again. Maybe with the content. See if we can add more to it. So we can edit this out with the style. So custom input fields if we want to. We have a few there. So we've got our name, email, message and send. that's primarily what we need to have anyway. We can generate ones as well. Like, there you go. Thank you for contacting Profile Tree. We look forward to connecting with you about our digital marketing services. So if you want to add more fields, you can do so as well. There is more options here. You can add a custom field as well. So drop down, you can have option 1, digital marketing. Sure. Option 2, web development. Option 3, content marketing. And this one, we can have some sort of like videography services. Service. So like that. And then click done, and then that'll add that straight here. Let's see, field label, choose. So that's there, and then that will work. Okay. Last but not least, we've got our content at the bottom. We can regenerate that style again. I am liking the centerpiece like that, so we will leave it as is. But there you go. That is a complete website build from Durable. Very easy, simple to do. Again, it created that website for us in 30 seconds. It took us probably about 5 to 6 minutes to maybe change or touch up a couple of areas. So again, another website builder, another AI website builder generator that I would recommend to use. So our last website builder is Mixo. Now, Mixo is designed to simplify the process of creating websites, making it fast and user-friendly. Now, some of the key features of Mixo is that it is, of course, a fully AI-driven website generation. This entire process is designed to be quick and efficient, and it will generate the website in a matter of seconds. You do have the ease of use as well, so it's fairly straightforward. You provide a description of your business. Mixo then creates a website tailored to your needs. The overall simplicity makes it ideal for users who want a fast and hassle-free website creation experience. And of course, you have the customization and editing. After the initial AI-driven creation, Mixo offers a user-friendly editor to refine your website's content and design. And that, of course, is a bonus to have, since it allows personalization and ensures the final website aligns with your specific requirements and preferences. So we've got an overview of Mixo. Now let's step into the overall sign up. So simply select the Get Started for Free on the top right. Put in the startup idea. So describe your startup idea in a sentence. Now, if you're unsure, that's no problem at all. You do have the try one of our examples option. So first one is fashion newsletter that explains the latest trends. Another one, food and dining website that sends you a monthly newsletter on the latest trends. Next, interior home decorator that you can book online. So since we're sticking with the digital marketing aspect of things, we'll just say website based off an agency that provides digital marketing services. Go ahead and continue. So you can select your goal, whether you want to get contacted, collect emails, or link to site. We will primarily focus on get connected. So I would like to be contacted via phone. So this is where we add our phone number. Actually, what we'll do is we'll just select the email for now, just to make this a little bit easier. So profiletree.com. Okay, so go ahead and hit generate. Just like that, 2 questions answered, and it will now generate the website for us. So what we'll do is we'll get this website up and running, and we'll go through it. We'll go ahead and design some areas if we need to tweak it. So here we have the website itself. So we can see that its name is Digital Boost Agency. So that's something we don't want to have. However, what we can do is, in order to now edit the entire site, we need to save and continue this. And of course, you'll get given the option to go ahead and create a basic site, growth site, premium site, or you can go ahead and just start the website for free. So back onto the dashboard, homepage is initially what I want to go ahead and modify. So go ahead and select edit. So here we have hero, features, testimonials, call to action, notes, and footer. What I want to do is primarily focus on the logo. So SEO title, we've got Boost Agency. We have our logo there, site name. So we'll click on that, and then we'll click on this, and then we'll just say profile tree. Like so. And go ahead and edit the site. Once I've changed that, I do have the option now to change this, so we'll just go ahead and edit. Go back to the settings. So that will update itself, and now what I need to do is just fix up some of the area. You can see here that we do have a site social image, and that's currently what it's coming up as. Digital Boost Agency, boost your online presence with Digital Boost Agency. So it's nice to have that it's set a social image. We can remove that and add our own. Again, you have the likes of Canva to create these sort of images for you. Depending if you have a free or a premium account, both will work fine in order to create that social image. Then, of course, you can set the site favicon, SEO description, and SEO title. We will just leave it for now. So we will go and select the pages. We're at home page, and this is where we need to start editing. So click on edit, hero section. So again, boost your online presence with Digital Boost Agency. What we could do for the meantime is just change that to profile tree. You can see how easy it is to change things for the fact that 1, you've got your editing on your left side. 2, you've got your live preview on your right side. So you don't have to delete and modify and have to refresh in order to see the changes. What we have at the minute is this image. Now what we can do is select unsplash green background, something like that. See if we could search for some images. Hexagon style. Let's see, green. Maybe we'll just do that. Okay, so for the meantime, we will just stick with this. We'll just stick with that pink background because it does look nice. It ties in well with the website. And we do have the primary button. So that's the link. It's automatically set it for us. Trusted agency, we've got image URL. And that is pretty much the hero section. Now you do have other sections as well with your features, which is these 3. So we can select them, and you can see that you could just change the title and description and the images as well. Change the imaging as well, so you can have it on the left side, you can have it centered, or you can have it to the right side. And of course you can show review if you wanted to. Next you've got testimonials just below there. That's in color pink. We can change the image URL, unsplash, image of person. So that's how you can change it about. And then if we scroll down, you've got your FAQs, so any questions. And then of course at the very last you have your call to action, and this is the contact us area. So everything is very easy to change. Of course then if you're happy enough, then you go ahead and select publish. Then once that site is published, then you do get a link for more or less like a feedback link, or you can have that up, but it's not hosted. There is no sort of live domain, so you will need to purchase a domain either through Mixo, and then that's when you're able to publish your website live. So it's gonna go ahead and give you a URL, as you can see. Nice little GIF there, but that is pretty much how the website now looks. So in a few seconds, probably about the same time as the durable website builder, you've now created a nice professional looking website, and that's with no technical expertise needed. A site's up and running. All you need to do then is apply for a pricing plan and then apply for a domain name. And once you've done so, that is pretty much you sorted for a website. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Hopefully this video has helped. If it did, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.